Hi, I'm Rohan Gerard. So in detail, I will show you what all different types of verticals we have and what all models are there, how it's beneficial to the customer. So in detail, like we do a walkthrough over here.
So this is the floor mounted model and this is a back to wall concept. Some people they want floor mounted and the trap should be from the wall. We call this as a P-trap where you get a flushing system for this as well. So now we have covered wall model, tankless model, fully automatic model. This is a back to wall concept. So we call this as a single piece. Single piece is nothing but it's completely, it is one piece. Completely it is a one piece. We call this as a single piece as well. So again you get a soft close model and this model has a tornado flushing. Tornado is nothing but, so where you get a water here, it's kind of it turns like this and goes inside. It has a tornado flushing. And we get a soft close model, rimless concept with single piece. And the again flushing concept also, you get 3 and 6 liter, 4.5 and 6 also. This is about single piece, floor mounted. In floor mounted, I have a coupled one. I will show you how the coupled model looks. Single piece and coupled is both are different. I will show you. So what you're seeing here with two different models, like same model with two different systems. One system separate and the lower bottom is separate. This we call as a coupled model. Again you get a rimless concept, soft closing model. Basically we ask like different questions to the customers as well. So if they're coming for the floor mounted, we ask different sizes, what size, kind of a trap size. You get with 4 inches, 9 inches, 10 inches, 12 inches of the trap size. As per that we communicate to the customers as well.